morning, guys. As you guys know, I haven't been posting much recent stuff lately, but that's because Final Cut Pro quit working on me, so I had to restore my whole computer, delete everything. All my files are gone, all my drone footage I had, so at least it's working again and I can always get new footage. Other than that, my friend Eric already left, and yesterday my mom flew in with her dog. So we don't really have anything that much planned. Hopefully I get some drone shots. I just put my drone right now on charge. New day, new me, fresh cut. See what today has got for us. Here's our new visitor. He flew in yesterday. He's an American Eskimo, but now he doesn't look like an American Eskimo anymore. He got a really short haircut. He used to be super fluffy. It's perfect for him because it's so hot here all the time. This is the Hawaiian breakfast. Avocados, buckwheat, spearfish, and Alaskan salmon. Every week a new ship comes here. A couple days ago there was another one here. It's a weird tunnel. Just go straight out into the ocean. The view. Crystal clear. They're all over the place. Look at this nasty sea cucumber. I'm just getting ready to fly out the drone. So we came to the snorkeling beach. Gotta go out and snorkel right now. Wish I had my GoPro with me. I'd be able to record the awesome fish there is down there. It's like a whole different world under the water. Look at that little lagoon. Chilling. Look at these guys. At least they're living in Hawaii. I remember this dog from last year when I came here. Just got back from the snorkeling beach. So what do you guys think about me going to Honolulu? Should I go? I don't know if I'll be able to post any more vlogs after this one. Hopefully, but I'm selling my Mac. I don't want to carry around my desktop everywhere I go since I'm traveling, so I'm planning to buy a MacBook Pro. Came home. As you can see, everyone's pretty tired. Had a nice relaxing day today with my mom, Butus. If you guys enjoy these videos, give it a thumbs up. Stay tuned and subscribe for more videos. Shoots!